This AI-generated spicy chicken stir-fry is sure to add some zest to your dinner table. Made with a combination of flavorful spices, this dish combines the traditional flavors of stir-fry with a kick of heat. You will find the list of ingredients in the description of this video, so let's get cooking. Instructions. In a small bowl, whisk together cornstarch and soy sauce until smooth. Set aside. In a large skillet or wok, heat oil over high heat. Add chicken and cook until browned and cooked through, about 5-6 minutes. Add bell peppers, onion, and garlic to the skillet and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes until vegetables are tender. Add soy sauce mixture, honey, Sriracha sauce, ginger, and red pepper flakes to the skillet. Stir to combine and cook for an additional 1-2 minutes until the sauce has thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot over cooked rice. Enjoy your AI-generated spicy chicken stir-fry.